In this video, we will learn how to colorize black and white photo using Neuro filter in Photoshop. Today we're looking about some of the black and white colorized picture into Photoshop. The first one is where it does. Okay. Now check this out. What it does. Now go to the filter and then Neuro filter. Just loading. And then you can see the colorize option. And it's track the face. Just check this one and wait. Well, is it actually? Oh, I don't like it. I think I need to fix some of the areas and just zoom in. Okay, what it does in here, the hair. I don't like it. No. And you can see, and there is still black and white. Oh, you see, there's somewhere there's. I just select the brush tool from option, and then go with the soft round brushes and check this skin tone and color anywhere from right there, and go to the next to the color to increase the brush. Okay, flow about 3. Okay, and just paint like this. Okay, something like this. It did rock really well. You can see the before it is, and after, before and after. I don't like it. Now let's check the other one. Oh, the car. The old car, old-fashioned car. I can see the nature about the behind the car, the park, the man. Now see what does in Photoshop. Again, filter and Neuro filter. Again, colorize. No. You can see this would be green, but it's blue. I don't know why. And the glass reflection is still blue. We need to fix it. How? Okay, how? Just go to the adjustment layer and then choose hue and saturations. And just you need to find this blue. I just blue, there's blue. Or you can see the hand right there. Just select the color blue, yes. Then you can play with these. It's must, I think it will be great, and increase or decrease the saturations. Okay, and highlight it. That's it. What happened? Now it's better, I think. Okay, well, I love it. The original straight color. And now some of the man is color grade, some of them are not. This project is so, come on Adobe. The next one. Okay, it's like an action movie. The horse right there, behind another one, the fog, or what we can say, the dust. Now experiment with again the filter and Neuro filter, and then check the colorize options. No. It's pretty good over there, here, but what happened there? It's turned into blue. Now that was an failed project. It's stopped. Now experiment with next one. A dark room. Now go to filter and again Neuro filter, and then check the colorize. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's pretty well, but I think it's takes so much red. It's pretty good. I deserve it. It's fine. I love it. Play with the green, just some yellow. I like the yellow. You could get some. Okay, green. It's pretty well. It does. I love it. Now experiment with next one. What it does? It's flower and it's rose. We know the rose color is. It should be what? Red, pink. Now let's experiment with Nero filter. Okay, check this color option, colorize options, and 1, 2, 3. Well, it's pretty well. It's something like that. The dry flower. Just go to the any selection tool and the subject selection. Beautiful. Now experiment with the selective color. Just red. Sign, increase it, decrease it. Okay, I don't like it. I'm going to new row option, their color option, and new row. Just highlight the sign. Now decrease it. Magenta. Wow, pretty well. Yellow. Just play with this. And black and white. Okay, no. Now this flower is live. Okay, look at the before and after. This is the overall before. Then the Nero filter does it like that, and I saw the correction. Make it live. Okay, nice, good. Now experiment with the next one. Oh, it's city and it's hills. I don't know what we'll do in Photoshop Nero filter. The next filter and the Nero filter. Again, we can experiment with just color. It's pretty good. I know the wall building color is not the same. It's just randomly takes this color and put this here. The Nero filter. Nice. Or you can adjust. It's take a time. There's a lot of option. Okay, next this one. Oh, there is a lot of words. Whoa, nice. Now experiment with this. I think that would be the variant, different color. Okay, now experiment. Okay, sorry, filter, and then what? Nero filter, and again the colorize. Solve the golden. It's right there. Pink, you can say. Golden. No. Okay. This one is pretty well. This color, I love it. But they are not same, I think. It's good. But we can. The next is what? Moon. Do you know what color is moon? It's almost like silver, and it's also black and white. Now check this out in Nero filter. What does? Okay, Nero filter and colorize. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, damn it! Come on, Olivi. You cannot hide any object. The moon is red. Anyone can believe it. No, I don't believe it. But we can do something here. The next one, what does it? Oh, I think it is fire. And what is it? Now experiment with filter, and then again Nero filter. Then colorize. Oh. It's over. Not nature. I think it's pretty well here. But no, I don't like here and there. It's not. You can fix it. Okay, then the wood color, it's pretty well. Fine, love it. Okay, just okay. And then it's good. It's pretty well. Turn it off. If there is over somewhere, the more red, I think. Just marks it, then just decrease the marks option and okay, flow it It's about 30. Okay, somewhere around. Okay, no. I think I somewhere mistaken. There, it's over. Okay. Now see before and after what it does. It's over. And it's nature. Okay, again, somewhere the opposite. Write down 0, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 100%. Oh, I like it. The next one is, I think, the old man. You can see the cigarette. You can see you can play with this. Again, new filter. Okay, then contrast. Oh, I love it. So that's all for today. We can all experiment with some of the images like man's skin tones, like abstract, moon. Some of them play well, and some of this I don't deserve it. It's well, it's good. Flower. I just play with this. Something they did like this dry flower. Okay, it's good. Then what does the first one? It's here. I don't like this color. It's over in here, I think. So that's all for today. Just if you like it, just like my video. Thank you for watching, and it is over.